To create and save a cooking program, start with My Cooking, select your cooking method, and here you can select the temperature, time, humidity level, and many other things as part of your cooking program. We'll select 350 degrees for 10 minutes. And we will combi steam at 70% humidity. By scrolling, you can also adjust the fan speed. You can use a rack timer if you're using multiple products with the same cooking parameters. You can also insert a step left or right. To save the recipe into your favorites, press the Additional Functions tab on the left and save the cooking program. Here, we can name our cooking program. We'll just call this steak. A category must be selected in order to save. You can select an image that's already preloaded on the unit, or your own image on a USB stick in a folder named AutoChef Images. We want it to be visible in our favorites. It's not a frozen food. The quality control is activated, which compensates for the size of the load and the drop in temperature. And our steam evacuation system is also active to keep our workers safe and evacuate the steam with 1 minute left in the cooking program. And here we press save. And now our steak will show up in our favorites menu and be ready to go.